carry me through. Something for my soul. I need a remedy. A sweet melody to give me some joy. Be the melody to carry me through. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes I go through my playlist and I'm like, man, right now I really need a song that speaks to my inner parts because I'm going through something, right? And I just don't want a song that feels like candy. I need a song that feels very nutritional, right?
Ain't too proud to bear.
Anyways, ain't too proud to beg.